Okay, so hi dear Leo, a very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the Ho'oponopono Masterclass link and Self Love 30 Days Challenge course. Links are given below in the description box. If you feel like you can purchase the course. Okay, let's start. Leo, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Nine of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. This is someone who feels like very stressed out with the idea of having something stable on the table with you, having something long term with you. They feel like they should get the clarity and the understanding of what they should actually, what they actually feel for you and what they actually want from you, because right now they're stressed out beyond words, where they're not able to understand what the actual heck they feel for you, what the actual heck they want from you, and they're seeking for the clarity. So one day they feel like they should let it go and it's never going to happen and it's not possible, and giving all sort of excuses to themselves. Then another day they feel like stuck on the idea of being with you for the rest of their lives, and then next day they're coming back to this energy of, oh, now no, it's not going to happen between me and Leo, what's the use of thinking about it? So it's like stressing the hell out of themselves and not able to understand what they actually feel for you and what they actually want from you on a soul level, on a human level, both. So they feel like they should get the clarity and the understanding of their feelings and intentions for you, for the situation. And when someone is so stuck on somebody or something, that really means that they care, but they don't know how to handle it, how to handle their emotions and how to handle the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and the Seven of Pentacles. Before coming forward towards you, they want to keep themselves at a safe distance from you. They definitely want to have this partnership, this collaboration with you, where both of you are having equal give and take of energy, and both of you are working on something like a project or something, like this connection only, but taking it as a project, as a serious work to do, right? So they want to watch you from a distance, and they definitely want to have collaboration and partnership with you, but they want to wait and watch from a distance so that they can make the right choice and the right decision at the right time. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to understand, learn each and everything about the situation before they are going to come forward, before they are going to make any kind of choice of coming forward towards you and making things work out with your, or reaching out to you even. So this person wants to take a step back from the situation, re-evaluate the situation from a distance, understand each and everything about the situation from this detachment kind of energy, and then they want to come forward and do something about it. This person don't want to show up in your inbox just like that. They want to plan it, take their time, understand it properly, then come forward. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the, what we have, honey, 27th of April. We have the Seven of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Two of Cups. Okay, this is not a good thing. It's like this person is going to try to distract themselves with multiple people, multiple energies, and trying to figure out who their soulmate is, who have the potential to become the happily ever after kind of a deal that they want to have in their life in the coming future. So this person is not taking any kind of action towards you because they are figuring it out whether it's you or somebody else they are connected to, and or maybe there are some other options or other people or other situations in their life that they should explore in order to find the right match for themselves. That is why this person is not very sure about coming forward towards you, because they want to explore other options and other situations and other things too, because they are not very sure whether you are the one for them or not. It's like definitely they are feeling attached to you energetically. That is why they are in so much conflict. But they are not sure if you are the soulmate that they are seeking for, if you are the love of their life, or if you are the one for them, the person with whom they want to have us happily ever after kind of a deal, a spiritual kind of connection, a soulmate kind of energy. So I don't see this person's reaching out to you, because they are going to be so much busy in figuring it out whether it's you or something else or someone else. Maybe they will start opening up their options, and or they will start exploring other things or other situations in their life. And once they are going to be sure that you are them or you are not them, then only they want to take action in this direction. So I don't see any action whatsoever right now from this person's side, because, and I told you the reasons as well. For you, the guidance here is the Queen of Swords. Stay in your power, right? And you know exactly what you want in your love and relationship area, Leo. Nobody nobody should tell you, right? Actually, nobody should tell anybody. But right now, you definitely have the clarity and understanding of what you really want and what you really don't want. And if this person, this energy is fitting into this energy of this is what you don't want in your life, cut the crap and keep moving forward. Painful, yes. Hurtful, yes. But necessary, yes. That's the deal, honey. Now, if it's your free will, what you want to do with the situation, whether you want to sulk in the corner all the time for this person or the situation to turn back and choose you, or you just want to choose yourself and keep moving ahead in your life like a king or a queen, with the ultimate clarity that you have in your life, in your consciousness. So anyways, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.